pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey there! Hi guys! It's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I'm really glad you decided to click on this video. I have an unboxing today. If you're returning, guys, I love you. Come on in, have a seat, sit down, hang out with me, and let's unbox Boxy Premium. I'm gonna be honest. I've been stocking my packages. Y'all know that mail's been crazy. And she feels really kind of light. I'm like, she's been sitting here for 2 days too. So I'm like, I wanted to know what was in it. I watched a few of your guys' unboxings and I was like, uh-oh, is it a flop? Because last month we got that jet lag mask that was causing an irritation, and yeah. You wanna know what I did with mine? Yeah, okay. Here we are. You guys already know the theme. It comes with a card. The variation numbers are all messed up now, so we don't know what's going on with that. Ooh, okay, wait. I might be changing my mind. Hang on. Okay. All right, so we got our card. This has the products on it and the prices. And oh, I see my choice. I'm so excited. All right. Ooh, okay. I was confused for a minute. All right. Let's start off with the repeat item, which I don't mind because I love me some Tarte Liner. This here, oh, black liner. Yes. It has, here is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. I like their black and gold. This has the gel liner on the one end here, which I love for my waterline. And then on the opposite side, these are not like beginner friendly if you're going to do a wing, because here it is here. It looks like a Sharpie, and you've got to be super careful when doing your lines. It's really hard to get a line like that with this. You have to angle it the right way. Okay, but I don't mind getting this as a repeat because I always use black eyeliner pretty much every day. This has a value of $24. It's made just for charmers and is not for retail sale. Oh wow, I did not know that. Okay, so I can only get it through Boxycharm. I got you. Okay, the next product I see is Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. Now, I have to be honest, at this point, I'm sick of getting lip balms. I literally must have from subscription boxes at least 25. And I'm not going to use them all. So it's kind of sad. However, it's still the type of weather, my lips are still dry, so I still need them. But to go through these huge lip balms, I mean, I already have this one. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to throw it in a giveaway. So this is another repeat item, or did I get this from Ipsy? I don't know now if I got it from Boxy or Ipsy. I'll have to check that out. It has a $33 value, and I'll be honest, it works. It definitely works. I use it pretty much every night. Okay, so we're gonna put that aside, and then let's see what we have in here. Soft Focus Glow Drops Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. I think this was one of the choices, and I did not choose it, but I wound up getting it anyway. So let me see. It hasn't, no. Does that say $60? That says $60. Ladies. I know it's a big bottle. Ultimate Glow Primer. All right. Okay. All right. Let's see what it says. Illuminate the complexion and achieve a lit from within glow with new soft focused glow drops. This skincare makeup hybrid is a next generation wonder serum formulated with active ingredients to brighten the complexion and a gentle shimmer to instantly boost luminosity and glow. Okay, this is what the bottle looks like. I'm stumped at the price of this. And it's a serum. It's not a primer. It feels just like a serum. Okay, so I'm guessing you could use this as a treatment before your primer and your foundation. It smells good. I'm just like, is there something else it does? Dewy skin effect. Yeah, it should not be labeled as a primer at all whatsoever. Not even, no. Somebody might get confused and think that it's actually going to cover pores and stuff. This is not going to do that at all. It's going to make you glowy. And if you have oily skin, the glow and the shine together, you'd need a really matte primer. Otherwise, it's going to be an issue. I just have to be honest there. Okay, now we're going to move on. And I see a product called Ren. It says Ren Clean Skincare. Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. It is clinically proven to remove waterproof makeup, SPF, and pollution. It's 100% naturally derived formula. Okay. Starting as a jelly and shifting onto an oil and then a milk. Wow. Okay, it has a $32 value. It's got a seal on it. Love me a safety seal. Oh, some of them are so hard to get off though. Like, ow. I need something to poke this with. Yeah. I couldn't find my scissors today, so I've been opening boxes with my lady razor. It's all good. All right, I just want to see the consistency. It looks like a gel, and it's kind of thick. Okay, let me just put some back here. Obviously, you would need to wet it, but it's moisturizing. And I think I like cleansers, so I will be excited to try that out for sure. All right, now let's move on to the item I chose, which was Laura Mercier. I love her powders. I think in my first 100 videos, this was all I used, one of these. Of course, it was a loose powder. This is Laura Mercier's Matte Radiance Baked Powder. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. It has a $44 value. Okay. I'm thinking I'd like the baked powder. Will I like it as much as the other one? I'm not sure. This, it says Highlight 01. Highlight, oh, this is a highlighter? It's a highlighter. Oh my goodness. And I don't know if that happened during production or what. It's a highlighter. Okay. All right. It looks like it's been touched, but then again, that does happen. Whoa. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. Now I see why it's $44. Oh my goodness. That's gorgeous. Okay, I am super happy with that. Definitely. Now the last thing, look guys. Okay, when I did my spoiler video, I actually did a giveaway in that. I had never seen it done before and I really wanted to do it. So I bought the mint palette of this and I have a giveaway going on that's going to end, I think the 15th of this month. So I'll link it in here if you want to go ahead and go over and enter that. But this is the Huda palette. This is the Rose Pastel Obsessions eyeshadow palette. It has a $29 value. This should be the 9 pan. Ooh. Okay, let's take her out. Here she is. She looks pretty gorgeous. And we're definitely getting into spring. Ooh, okay. I like the mirror. Yes. Oh, we need to swatch her, don't we? We have to. We just have to do it because we've got to see. Now, Huda, I like her 9-pan palettes. Those ones, I've gotten like the naughty nudes and I returned it because it was awful. And there was one other one that I had gotten I did not like. And recently I had gotten the remastered rose gold and it was amazing. I've used it several times. So Huda and I are starting to get along as to where we didn't always. You know what? I always put the swatches on the inner part of my arm and it's harder for you guys to see. So I'm going to take a picture of it and put it in here. I don't know why I do that. Some of these are light. It looks like they can be built up, but you're not going to be able to see. So I'm going to have, looks pretty. Looks like a lot of these are some shimmer topper shades for when you're finished, that pop of color in the middle. But okay, so let's recap what I got and then let's total everything up. All right, we got the Laura Mercier beaming highlighter, like holy, okay, we're happy with that. We got the Pastels palette, amazing. We got this crazy item that is $60. That is a serum and I'm gonna have to use it and we'll have to figure out if it's any good. I got another one of the Bali Balm lip balm, sweet orange and coconut balm. It does work well. Then I got the Ren Clean Skincare Cleanser, the Tarte Dual Eyeliner, which is amazing. And that was it, right? Yeah, that was everything. What do you think of my box? I will total the everything and put it in here for you, but I have to say I'm overall happy with it. I definitely am. I'm excited. I paid $35 for this box and this was $29 and this was $44. That makes it worth it right there. Plus, I've got a new cleanser to try. I've got one of my favorite liners. I've got a lip balm I can put in a giveaway that works well because I've used it before. And then we've got this mystery product that we're going to figure out about. But who knows? I may end up loving it. All right, guys, thank you so much for taking the time to join me for this unboxing. I enjoyed it. What do you think of my box? Was this a better variation than what you've seen out there? Let me know in the comments below. I will talk to you guys really soon in another video. Bye. Love you.